Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stunning world of the BenQ MA270U, a 27-inch 4K monitor that promises to elevate your Mac experience like never before. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160, every detail comes to life, making it perfect for creative professionals and anyone who values crisp visuals. One of the most impressive aspects of the MA270U monitor is undoubtedly its P3 color gamut, a feature that sets it apart from other displays in its class. For professionals and creatives who rely on accurate color representation, this monitor's ability to deliver vibrant and precise colors is a game-changer. The P3 color gamut is a widely recognized standard in the industry, representing a significantly wider range of colors than the more common sRGB gamut. This means that the MA270U can display a broader spectrum of colors, resulting in more vivid and lifelike images. Whether you're working on graphic design projects, editing photos, or producing videos, the importance of accurate color representation cannot be overstated. In graphic design, precise color control is essential for creating visually appealing and effective designs. The MA270U's P3 color gamut ensures that colors are displayed accurately, allowing designers to work with confidence and precision. For photo editing, the monitor's ability to display a wide range of colors means that photographers can make subtle adjustments to their images, resulting in more natural and realistic color representation. In video production, accurate color representation is critical for creating a visually cohesive and engaging final product. The MA270U's P3 color gamut allows video editors to work with confidence, knowing that the colors they see on screen will be accurately represented in the final output. For anyone who relies on accurate color representation in their work, the MA270U monitor is definitely worth considering. Its impressive P3 color gamut, combined with its other advanced features, make it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives who demand the best. Impressive technical specifications, the MA270U monitor also boasts a sleek and durable design that is built to last. The monitor's chassis is constructed from high-quality materials, including a sturdy metal frame and a durable plastic exterior. The monitor's stand is also fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the position and angle of the screen to suit your needs. The MA270U monitor also features a range of innovative technologies designed to enhance your viewing experience. For example, the monitor's built-in speakers are designed to provide clear and detailed audio, making it easy to enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows without the need for external speakers. Key benefit of the MA270U monitor is its wide range of connectivity options. The monitor features a range of ports, including USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI, making it easy to connect to your computer or other devices. The monitor also features a built-in USB hub, allowing you to connect multiple devices at once. Overall, the MA270U monitor is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a high-quality display that can handle a wide range of tasks. Its impressive color gamut, high-resolution panel, and range of advanced features make it an ideal choice for professionals, creatives, and gamers alike. Whether you're working on high-end design projects, editing photos, or producing videos, this monitor's ability to deliver vibrant and precise colors will help you take your work to the next level. In addition to its impressive color gamut, the MA270U monitor also boasts a range of other features that make it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives. Its high-resolution panel ensures that images are displayed with crystal clarity, while its fast response time and low input lag make it perfect for video editing and other applications where timing is critical. The monitor's ergonomic design also makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, with a range of adjustment options that allow you to customize the position and angle of the screen to suit your needs. And with a range of connectivity options, including USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI, you can easily connect the MA270U to your computer or other devices. Another key benefit of the MA270U is its color accuracy. The monitor has been calibrated to ensure that colors are displayed accurately, with a delta rating of less than 2. This means that the colors you see on screen are extremely close to the actual colors of the image, making it ideal for applications where color accuracy is critical. The MA270U also supports a range of color modes, including sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI-P3. This allows you to customize the color output of the monitor to suit your specific needs, whether you're working on a project that requires precise color accuracy or simply want to enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows in vivid color. In terms of its build quality, the MA270U is solidly constructed with a durable metal chassis and a high-quality panel. The monitor's stand is also sturdy and adjustable, allowing you to customize the position and angle of the screen to suit your needs. Overall, the MA270U is an exceptional monitor that is well suited to a wide range of applications, from graphic design and photo editing to video production and gaming. Its impressive color gamut, high-resolution panel, and range of advanced features make it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives who demand the best. Furthermore, the MA270U monitor is also designed with productivity in mind. Its large 27-inch screen provides ample space for multitasking, allowing you to have multiple windows and applications open at the same time. The monitor's ergonomic design also ensures that you can work comfortably for extended periods, with a range of adjustment options that allow you to customize the position and angle of the screen to suit your needs. MA270U also features a range of connectivity options, including USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI. This allows you to easily connect the monitor to your computer or other devices, making it easy to transfer files, stream video, and more. The MA270U also comes with a range of built-in features that make it easy to use and customize. For example, the monitor's on-screen display, OSD, allows you to easily adjust settings such as brightness, contrast, and color temperature. The monitor also features a range of preset modes, including modes for gaming, video editing, and more. Another key benefit of the MA270U is its energy efficiency. The monitor is designed to be environmentally friendly, with a range of features that help to reduce power consumption. For example, the monitor's Eco Mode allows you to reduce power consumption by up to 50%, making it an ideal choice for businesses and organizations that are looking to reduce their environmental impact. In terms of its warranty and support, the MA270U is backed by a comprehensive warranty that covers parts and labor for up to 5 years. The monitor also comes with dedicated customer support, including online resources, phone support, and more. Overall, the MA270U is an exceptional monitor that is well suited to a wide range of applications, from graphic design and photo editing to video production and gaming. Its impressive color gamut, high-resolution panel, and range of advanced features make it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives who demand the best. Thanks to the dual USB-C ports providing 90 watts of power delivery, you can charge your MacBook while enjoying your favorite content. No more tangled cables or searching for free ports. Plus, the integrated USB hub keeps your workspace organized and efficient. Another highlight is the unique Mac Color Match feature. This ensures that what you see on your screen is as true to life as possible, making your creative work seamless. Plus, with the brightness and volume control directly on your Mac, adjusting your settings is a breeze. The height-adjustable stand allows you to find the perfect viewing angle, enhancing ergonomic comfort during long hours of use. And with Display Pilot 2.0 software, customizing your monitor settings has never been easier. If you're looking for a top-tier monitor to pair with your Mac, the BenQ MA270U could be your perfect match. Priced at 39,990, you can find the purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.